just got the headlights today. I already put them on. I got both of them for $350. I got them on a good deal. The reason why I got them for $350 is because this one is all faded. You guys can see all the sunburns, and then this one looks a lot better than the other one. But it is what it is. Remember, I'm on a budget building this thing, so now I'm waiting for the kit to arrive. So this is where we at right now. I put the headliner already, but I gotta do some adjustments. And also I received the exhaust today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now. So that's what the exhaust looks like. It's a DNA exhaust. It's a cheap exhaust. Everything from the white pipe all the way to the outside costs $300. Like I said, it's in a budget build. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some time lapse while we're putting the exhaust.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So there you go. Both of them already on. I bought this exhaust on eBay. It's a cheap one. Later on when I get more money, I'm gonna upgrade to the ISR or Tome if I find a good one at a good deal. Test pipe's already hooked up. Test pipe. The whole exhaust system. There you have it. You guys want me to give you a sound check? Let me lower the car down.
Sound right, boys.
Huh?
Really, it goes out smut and extension. You don't get
Yeah, if you can just fix that other side, that'll be fine. Doing the alignment on the Zetty. Just negative camber, man. Just put some coilovers too in these bitches. Man, excuse my language.
See? Do not take the signal from. See?
No signal? Man, we got stuck earlier, man, on the ramp because the car is too low on the ground. And all right, so I got the hood off the car, and it's pretty banged up, guys. You just can see it, pretty banged up. So I'm gonna fix it because, you know, I might just keep it for a while. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind all the spots. I'm gonna grind them down. Everything, I'm gonna grind everything. Whenever you apply bondo, you gotta grind all the dents out to get it to a good surface. So I'm using a grinder, using this grinder, and also wear a mask, okay? That way you don't be breathing anything. So I'm gonna have some time lapse while I'm doing that. All right, let's go. Now that you grind the spots, you're gonna be ready for some bondo. Alright. The edges of every place where you grind, you have to bring it down with the DA to kind of like blend in with the bondo. But you know, that's how much bondo is gonna have. You know, when you find hoods at a good price, you know, and you know you can fix it to make it look better, go for it. You know, at the end of the day, seems like we got a dent right here too, so I have to grind over here more. All right, so I'll show you when I finish already with the bondo. So you apply about this much. It's gonna start little by little. Mix it up. I ain't nobody, man. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But you know, I work with it a little bit. Been doing it for a while. Do I like it? No. I don't like it. Because it's kind of messy. It's a messy job. Especially when you gotta breathe this stuff. Well, if you wear a mask, you don't breathe it, but some body guys, I seen them, they straight up. They just breathe this stuff. So this is how you do it. You grab a flat surface like that. Right? So there are gonna be some low spots, remember? So what you do is you apply the first coat, and then you come back. This one right here, it's gonna take a lot. I'm gonna do this whole one right here like this. So that's the first coat of bondo. So you know, after it dries up, feel it with your hand. Make sure that it's flat. If it's not flat, you have to do another coat of bondo. Do as many coats as you can to get it as flat as possible, so for better results. And then you have to use blocks to sand the bondo. The longer blocks you have, the better surface you're gonna have. Okay, all right.
Coast to coast, I drop it on it. Tell me how you really want it. Latin boss, I'm a hoe. Ripping the game with a twist on it. All or nothing, how we play. Baby girl, if I may, take you with my Chevrolet and change your life in a major way. Give you things you never had. Champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. He tell me, can you handle that? I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed. Pockets swelling out with hundreds. VIP when we upgrade.